Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the buyer presentation. Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezel, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today we're talking about our buyer presentation. And by buyer presentation, I really mean how are you presenting the homes you're showing to your buyers? There are two types of showing a home. You have on the first side people who just explain a home and its features. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It has 1,800 square feet. This is a family room. This is a formal dining. You'll notice that the kitchen has granite countertops, and you're just explaining the features of a home. Anybody can read a sheet and learn about the features of the home. On the flip side, you have an agent who is really showing a home. Mr. and Mrs. Buyer, you know how you always wanted that kitchen that actually merges with the family room, like the great room concept. So while you're here cooking like you love to do, you can be watching the game and look over here, you can see the kids playing in the pool. And look how convenient it is. It's just right around the corner. You have the laundry room. So when you're bringing in the groceries, you're just boom, right here and you're good to go. And the fact that there's so many different features that can be conveyed in the actual act of living in a home. That's what gets people excited. It's not the features of the home, it's what those features mean and the memories that that person and that family are going to be able to create in that home with those features. My challenge for you today is to practice showing a home. Find another realtor, a friend, a family member, whoever it might be. Pick 2 or 3 homes and practice showing the home. Not the features, but the lifestyle and the future memories that can be made. Please let me know how many you found and what you went to go see below. Please share this tidbit and have an awesome day. Talk to you tomorrow.